Hello friends! Today I am going to demonstrate to you how to make soy milk. There are two ways that you can make soy milk, using a soy maker or using a pot with boiling water. Okay, I will show you the ingredients. Half a cup of soybeans, dried soybeans. And if you want your soy milk to be more smooth, you add 2 tablespoons of white dried rice. And you have 4 tablespoons or more if you want your soy milk to be sweet, more sweet, sugar. We use coconut sugar, it's natural sugar. And then I have here a 4th or an 8th teaspoon of pink salt. You don't have to put pink salt or salt, but we kind of like the flavor with a little bit of salt. Anyway, now you're going to soak your soybeans and your rice for about 5 to 6 hours. After soaking your beans and rice with water for about 6 to 8 hours, rinse them, rinse and drain. Rinse again and let it drain. Using a soy maker, we put water in the soy maker for about 6 cups of water. In this soy maker, there is an indicator how much water you can put. So you put 6 cups of water and you put your soybeans inside and just align it right there. Unplug your soy maker and then you put it where it needs to be, soaked beans, and it will do its thing. It will be finished for about 20-25 minutes and it will make a beep 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 sound when it's done. Now the soy milk is done. We're going to drain. It's draining time. See the consistency? It's more smooth. And then use a spatula. Make sure you stir so that all the milk liquid will drain. There you go. Then let's transfer the milk. It's time to season it. Let's add the sugar. Of a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Oops. Stir it. Smells good. Vanilla smells so good. There you go. And cover. Your milk is ready. Yum! I hope you enjoyed this video, this recipe. I will show you the next way to make soy milk. Thank you for watching. Now I am going to show you how to make soy milk manually through boiling. Here's the soaked beans. I soaked it for 6 to 8 hours. I rinsed it and washed and rinsed it again. And I'm going to put this in a blender and put about 2 cups of water, just enough to blend it smooth. Put the cover and you have to blend it until smooth so that you can get the most milk out of the beans. Blend it for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And see if it's smooth enough. Maybe you don't need to blend it more. Yeah, you need to blend some more. Now it's ready. Let's transfer this to the pot. On medium heat, put the blended soy into the pot and add the rest of the water. 6 cups total. There you go. And you have to watch closely so that it doesn't overboil. It does overboil pretty quick. Wait for about 5 minutes and then you will see it boiling. After 5 minutes, check the soy milk and stir it just to make sure that the bottom is not sticking. Starting to boil. Put it on medium-high heat, or you can put it on high, but make sure that you're watching closely so it does not boil over, and it's not fun if it does. After about 15 to 20 minutes of boiling, your soy milk should be ready for draining. Once it starts boiling, it's so easy to fill the pot, so you have to be very careful. Now we're ready to drain. We're draining the soy milk. Let's drain. Be very careful because it's hot. The consistency of this batch of soy milk is thinner. It's not as thick as the first batch that I made because this batch doesn't have rice in it. It doesn't have white rice. So either way, you can make good soy milk with or without rice. I just like the consistency with a little bit of rice. Drain properly, and if there's no rice in it, it's easy to strain. Do not waste the pulp because the pulp is good for making patties, burgers, or you can mix it in if you're making bread, pancake. This is very good for you. This is rich in fiber and protein, the soy pulp. It's time to season our soy milk. Let's add the sugar. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid vanilla. There you go. Mix it, and your soy milk is ready. Smells good, delicious. Soy is rich in fiber and protein, and it's good for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like or thumbs up, and you can share this recipe with your families and friends. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching.